Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021.
Kho-Kho. Let's know about game of Kho-Kho.
In a previous video was all about Kabaddi. Now, in this video we will come to know about theory of Kho-Kho. The things that we will discuss about Kho-Kho are: first, history; second, latest general rules of Kho-Kho; third, fundamental skills of game; fourth, terminology of Kho-Kho; fifth, defensive Kho-Kho of skill; sixth, substitution; seventh, constitution of zone chart; 8. Officials in Kho-Kho game. 9. Description for a sign in a Kho-Kho. History. First, let's know about history of Kho-Kho.
Kho-Kho. This is one of the Indian major game and is popular especially in Maharashtra. In 1914, the Deccan Gymkhana first conducted tournament in Kho-Kho. In 1919 and 1928, the Deccan Gymkhana authorized release the rules in Kho-Kho and published them. Later in 1935, the Akhil Maharashtra Sharirik Shikshan Mandal again systematized and published the rules of the game. It was first introduction and demonstration in the year 1982 in the Asian Games. The word Kho seems to be derived from the Sanskrit verb shiv, which means get up and go. The Deccan Gymkhana of Pune, so named and opened by the great Indian leader Lokmanya Tilak, formulated the first ever rules and regulation, symbolize the rules to follow in the future.
Latest general rules of Kho-Kho. First, the runner or chaser is decided by toss. Second, number part of body of an active chaser shall touch the central lane. He and she shall not cross the central lane from inside the post. Third, Kho is to be given loud and clean voice from behind the sitting chaser. Fourth, if both active chaser touches the runner by his limits, runner shall be out. Fifth, if a player as a result of doing a foul is out, he shall not be out. Sixth, after taking the direction, the active chaser can attack in the cross line and it will not be regarded as foul. 7. Taking of the direction and turning the face shall not be applicable in the area of rectangles. Fundamental skills of game. First, chasing the skill. In that we will see first, giving Kho, taking direction, sudden change, tapping, let Kho, trapping, turning round the post, fake Kho, and diving. Second, running skill. In that we will see position on the court, running, avoiding trapping, dodging, positioning near the post. Brief explanation about some skills. First, giving Kho. A chaser must say the word Kho when he is touching the sitting chaser. It is a foul if he does not say the word. Second, fake Kho. In a such Kho, the chaser pretend to give Kho but actually follow the runners. Third, taking direction. After receiving the Kho, a chaser should take his first step out of cross lane with the care because that step will decide his direction of move. Now, fourth, Tapping. It is a touching an active runner by the extending an arm. Tapping should be done when the runner hits a post while tapping the body, should lean forward and arm should be extended completely. Fifth, trapping. For tapping, the active chaser should try to bring 2 or 3 runners to one side or towards the post. This situation is trapping. Last skill, diving. In this technique, a chaser pounces on the active runner to touch him spontaneously. It requires a lot of courage and the practice for being an expert diver. Running skill. Running. It is a required endurance and speed. Dodging. It is the most important skills used in running. Dodging is given by jerky movement of the body. Terminologies of Kho-Kho. First, chaser. The players who sit in the square are called chaser. Second, runners. A players who are chased by an active chaser. He wants to touch and tap them. Third, active chaser. The player who pursued runners to put them out. Fourth, square. It is a place for chaser to sit down. Fifth, fake kho. The pretending to give a kho but actually he does not to do so. 6. Extra period. Any period played after end of a regulation given the order to break a tie. 7. Fit out. Both fit out the runners touch the ground beyond the sidelines. The place is given out. 8. Inning. The 9 minutes duration of game may be chasing or running in inning. 9. Free zone. This is an area where both the runners and chasers can move any direction. Defensive Kho-Kho skills. In this we will learn defender strategy and chaser strategy. Chain strategy. The defender and other chasers follow the zigzag path like single 6 up, 2 5 and 6 up, 2 3 and 6 up, 3 4 5 and 6 up, 1 4 5 6 up, 1 4 7 1. The following is type of zigzag pattern that is followed by a chasing team. Ring game. In this type of strategy, the chaser team makes a ring type circle in the oval shape for attacking defender. It may face side ring or the back side ring as well. A ring game in the 3 shapes that short range ring, mid range ring, long range ring according to their size. Now, combined straight game. If the attacker's team is choosing both chain and the ring game, the strategy is called combined straight. Substitution. Any number of substitution can be allowed by the referee on the request of coach or captain. A point is for chasing turn at any time during the match. B point for runner substitution is allowed only before they enter the field. Note A. During substitution, the substituted chasers shall not be enter the field unless the outgoing chasers come out of the field. B. Substituted attacker shall not pursue the defenders directly. He must give a kho. Constitution of the zones. Our country is divided into 4 zones as North, West, East and South. And each zone has different cities like North Zone has Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. West Zone has Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Vidarbha. Each zone has Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Manipur, Odisha, Tripura, West Bengal. And last one, Southwest Zone has Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. Official in a Kho-Kho game. There are 6 officials in Kho-Kho game. 1 referee, 2 umpire, 2 scorer, 1 timekeeper. Description for sign in Kho-Kho. It is a very important to understand different referee signals. Every Kho-Kho player should be know about these important referee signals. First, starting the turn. Second, closing the turn. Third, out. Fourth, crossing the center lane. Fifth, uttering the Kho-Kho before touching the chaser. Sixth, improper uttering of Kho. 7. Ko or other similar word uttered by chaser. 8. Ko not given after touching the chaser nearest the post. 9. Getting up early. 10. Indicate proper direction. 11. Shoulder line foul. 12. Going beyond cross lane. 13. Receding. 14. Changes of direction. 15. Closing the turn.
This is part 1 video of Kho-Kho theory. In the part 2 video, we will discuss about some important point of theory and measurement of court. Thank you so much, students. Take care, stay home and stay safe.